Hi, this short presentation will acquaint you with our business practice guidelines. These rules of conduct are not meant to restrict the personal rights of any individual. Rather, they're meant to protect the rights of all employees by making expectations for workplace conduct clear. Our goal is to ensure understanding and cooperation. As a Legacy employee, we expect your work performance to be directed by an adherence to Legacy's vision, mission, and values. Our expectations for the manner in which employees conduct themselves is straightforward. We expect employees to be on time and alert when scheduled to be at work. Don't miss the boat. We expect employees to be careful and conscientious in the performance of their duties. That means being honest, considerate, courteous, and helpful when dealing with clients, co-workers, and other individuals in the settings where Legacy does business. We expect employees to demonstrate a positive and upbeat attitude toward their job and Legacy. Legacy's goal is to provide a work environment that is conducive to both personal and professional growth for all employees. We have an employment relationship that is at will. Either the employee or Legacy can terminate the relationship at will, with or without cause, at any time, as long as there is no violation of applicable federal or state law. Legacy maintains a strong policy of equal employment opportunity. Employees are treated equally on the basis of personal competence and potential for advancement, without regard to race, color, religion, gender, sexual preference, national origin, age, or disability. Our equal employment opportunity philosophy applies to all aspects of employment with Legacy, including recruiting and hiring, training, transfers, compensation and promotions, job benefits, educational assistance, and social and recreational activities. Legacy does not tolerate discriminatory behavior or practices of any nature on the basis of race, color, religion, gender, sexual preference, national origin, age, or disability. No Legacy employee, regardless of position, salary, title, or longevity with the company, has any right or authority whatsoever to treat another individual in a discriminatory manner. Discriminatory behavior, verbal or written, includes but is not limited to jokes, degrading comments, gestures, or images, and/or inequitable employment actions that are based upon an individual's race, color, religion, gender, sexual preference, national origin, age, or disability. All employees are expected to comply with this policy and take appropriate measures to ensure that any and all discriminatory behavior and practices are reported. Reports of allegations should be made immediately to the Vice President of Human Resources, a Legacy supervisor, or the Ethics and Compliance Hotline, so that incidents may be properly investigated. If a supervisor is the accused, the allegation should be reported only to Human Resources. Supervisory personnel are expected to be vigilant in the prevention, identification, and reporting of any and all instances of discriminatory behavior to the Vice President of Human Resources and to their immediate supervisor. All complaints or allegations will be investigated in a thorough, timely, and discreet manner. Everyone involved will be given the opportunity to present their version of events to Human Resources. All employees shall be protected from coercion, intimidation, retaliation, interference, or discrimination as a result of filing a complaint or assisting in an investigation. Disciplinary action, up to and including discharge, will be taken against any employee found to be in violation of this policy. Anyone who violates this policy agrees to indemnify Legacy and hold it harmless from and against any consequences of such offender's conduct. Legacy has partnered with Ethical Advocate Incorporated to administer a confidential, secure, and anonymous hotline for reporting any employment or business concern. Reports can be made anonymously by phone or via the above website. Users must create a username and password. This information cannot be reset, so it's important to write it down. Legacy's legal department receives the report and can leave messages, updates, or questions to the reporter through Ethical Advocate's phone line or website. We encourage you to call the hotline if you know or suspect violations of laws or regulations, including but not limited to the following: healthcare fraud, patient abuse or exploitation, harassment or discrimination, environmental, health, or safety concerns, accounting irregularities or false financial reporting, violations of company policies, or any other ethical, legal, and policy violations or concerns. Follow the link on our intranet homepage for more information and to access a link for intranet reporting and the number for phone reporting. Legacy encourages an atmosphere whereby employees can talk freely with members of the management staff. Employees are encouraged to openly discuss issues or problems with their supervisor so that appropriate action may be taken to address the situation. If a supervisor cannot be of assistance or is not responsive to an employee's inquiry or complaint for any reason, any employee may contact the Human Resources Department directly for consultation and guidance. No adverse employment action will be taken against an employee for reporting a violation or suspected violation of Legacy's policies and procedures and/or federal or state laws. Well, that's it for our business practice guidelines presentation. Please don't hesitate to let your supervisor know if you have any questions about these policies. We're glad you're here. Thank you for being part of the team.